Hi and welcome back to freesciencelessons.co.uk. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe what's meant by the word pathogen, and then describe how bacteria and viruses make us unwell. You should then be able to describe how white blood cells defend us from pathogens. There's a lot of really important information in this video, and it frequently appears in exams, so you need to make sure that you learn this. Let's start by looking at what's meant by the word pathogens. This is a really important definition. Pathogens are microorganisms that cause infectious disease. Infectious diseases are ones that you can catch, and I'm showing you two here. We've got flu and chickenpox. Both of these are caused by pathogens. There are two main types of pathogens that you need to know about at GCSE. The first of these is bacteria. You have to describe how bacteria make us unwell. If we get infected by bacteria, they can reproduce rapidly inside our body. As they do this, they make toxins. Toxins can make us feel unwell and can sometimes be fatal. The second group of pathogens are viruses. Unlike bacteria, viruses can only reproduce if they can get inside our cells. Once they've reproduced, the viruses are released from the cells, and this can damage or kill the cells, and that makes us feel unwell. Now, humans have an immune system which protects us from pathogens, and the most important part of this are white blood cells. You must be able to describe how white blood cells protect us from pathogens, and there are three ways. So this shows a white blood cell and pathogens. In this case, the pathogens are bacteria, but they could just as easily be viruses. The first way that white blood cells protect us from pathogens is by ingesting the pathogens and destroying them, and I'm showing you that here. It's really important that you use the word ingest and not the word eat, since that would not get a mark in the exam. Let's look at the second way that white blood cells protect us from pathogens. White blood cells can produce antibodies which destroy particular bacteria or viruses. So I'm showing you here the antibodies sticking to the pathogens, and this will cause the pathogens to be destroyed. One really important fact is that antibodies are very specific. Antibodies against one pathogen cannot protect you from a different pathogen. Okay, let's look at the third way that white blood cells protect us from pathogens. Remember that we said that bacteria make us unwell by releasing toxins. White blood cells can produce antitoxins, which counteract toxins released from the pathogens. This stops the toxins from harming us. So I'm showing you here the antitoxins sticking to the toxins, stopping the toxins from making us unwell. Okay, so hopefully now you can describe what's meant by the word pathogen and then describe how bacteria and viruses make us unwell. Finally, you should then be able to describe how white blood cells defend us from pathogens.